Let me be your motivation to stay and give it to life. And baby, turn around, let me give you innovation.
Hey you guys, so I decided to film my apartment tour video. I have this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,160 square feet, and I'm just gonna show you all around. So we're gonna start off with the kitchen. You know, it's a nice sized kitchen. Got a dishwasher, you got the double sink, the microwave, the stove. And then over here, we got this 1-door refrigerator. I wasn't really that excited about that, but it's not a big deal. We've got this 1-door refrigerator and it's nice. So that's basically the refrigerator. We've got this food pantry, which is actually also a lot of space that it does offer. So that's pretty good that it has so much space for the food, because there's a lot of cabinet space, and then there's also a lot of pantry space and then a lot of counter space. So definitely enough room to put everything that I have. And you've got this nice long hallway. Who doesn't like that? It has an arch, so I don't know if it's just common for that area, but it does have an arch. And then you do have the coat closet. I cannot talk today. The coat closet, and it's kind of small, but it's like taller. As you guys are gonna see that the ceilings are pretty tall. So that was the coat closet. I'm guessing the water heater is that room that's locked. And then you got the washer and the dryer. So a nice little laundry room. The washer and dryer seem pretty up to date. There's some up top space, you know, to set the detergents and everything. Hopefully I'll get some organization in there a little bit later, but this is the laundry room. And after we leave the laundry room, we've got the second bedroom's bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. This is the shower. I like the color of this shower. Again, I wasn't so hot about these countertops, so I'm probably gonna change them. Renter safe, of course. I'm gonna change that. You guys can see that they have these white drawers and cabinets. So that is a nice amount of space to put things. I love having drawers in the bathroom, so I'm pretty happy about that. And then it's a nice size mirror. The lights were a little yellow, so maybe we're gonna try to change them out and see if we can make it a little brighter in there. This closet, when I say this closet is so big, you guys, like it is so big, so much space. And this is what I think like a regular closet should be. Anybody would be happy with that closet. So yeah, the amount of space that it has, I wish both shelves went all the way around, but I can see I'm happy with the top just going all the way around. That makes sense. I'm gonna find some stuff to put in that closet for sure. Got the linen closet. One thing I will say about this apartment is it really was spacious. There's a lot of things to put stuff, a lot of storage. That's what I meant. A lot of storage, way bigger than the last one. And then here is the second bedroom. This is going to be turned into an office, but this is just the second bedroom for us. So I think it's a nice size second bedroom, or just a bedroom size. I don't know if the correct term is like small or medium, but it's good enough for me. I had a different view just so you could see it from me standing in the corner. And after that, we're going to enter the living room. And I'm trying to kind of show you how tall these ceilings are. Like, I think because this is a first floor apartment, so the ceilings are pretty high, and I like that. That just means, you know, you get to play around with curtains and stuff like that. I'm just getting a whole bunch of ideas just by looking around. Another little arch storage area. This little special person over here.
Hi guys. Y'all like to play?
And next, I'm going to take you guys outside to the balcony. Open the door. The balcony is also a nice size. I would have loved it was just a little bit bigger, but it's a nice size. You've got that other brown door that's a storage, And so you got these nice trees. Obviously it's nice weather. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm at, but it's nice weather outside. It's nice, and the balcony space is welcoming. Like, it's a nice space to be out there. Another thing that I liked about this is the big windows. This is the master bedroom, but the windows are a very nice size, you guys. They're very big, so I like that a lot. It brings in a lot of light. So I'm going to show you the size of this bedroom. This is also actually a really nice size as well. Obviously, because there's so much space everywhere, really just a bed is all I'm worried about going in here, and I think it'll fit just fine. And then maybe a TV on the wall or something like that. I'm going to take you into the master bathroom. You've got the same kind of almost layout. This bathroom, you got this linen closet, all this gorgeous space in here, these white cabinets. I kind of show you the shelves and the space in this one, but it's definitely a lot of storage space, so I love that. And then we're about to get to my favorite part of this place, which is this closet. The master closet is so big. I could not believe it. It's like another room in the home. Like, it literally is like another room. Definitely enough space for clothes and shoes. So I really can't wait to start putting things in here and just seeing how it looks. But this is like, I could put a little vanity in here. It's so big. I'm not lying. Once everything's in there and I do the walkthrough of the furnished apartment, I think you'll all understand just how big this closet is. So that's got to probably be my favorite part. And yeah, so like I said, that is the end of this apartment tour. That's all that there is. But what I'm going to make sure I do is film another video where there's furniture in there, and so you guys can see, you know, what it looks like after I decorate and do a couple of changes to it. Otherwise, if you like this video, go ahead and leave it a like. Go ahead, you know, put that thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Also, feel free to, you know, comment what you liked about the apartment, what you didn't like about the apartment, any questions that you have, and I can go ahead and make sure that I get them answered for you. But other than that, we out. See you next time. Bye.